Welcome everybody to the channel. Today I'm gonna be giving you a new update. It's hard to believe, you guys, that it is August, right? We know tax season opened up January, the 23rd of this year, and it's been steady going on. For those of you who haven't already filed your taxes and you're in the disaster area and you happen to just start watching this video, make sure you get in before October the 16th. I'll be sharing a lot of information with you guys, and I just want, for those of you who comment on my channel, you guys who haven't received your tax refund yet, and who haven't maybe have received your amended tax refund, to stay positive. You guys try to remain positive. I know that it's irritating. A lot of you have been waiting a long time, and I'm gonna cover, for those of you who've been wanting a new update from me, I'll be covering it also. For those of you who need the free PDF, don't forget, after this video goes off, this live video right now, that you go to the description of this video and download the PDF if you're in review. Okay, if you're in review and you need information regarding the review letters that will help you, if you haven't received one and the IRS told you over the phone and you're gonna be receiving one, even though you haven't received one yet, get that PDF download, because it will help you even into next year. Okay, tax season is just 5 months away, you guys. It's coming, because I know I'm gonna be offering hopefully the holiday loans in November and other things. Okay, a lot of things happening, so make sure that you get that free download. Okay, just look on the description of this video. My birthday, you guys, by the way, was August the 4th. For those of you who wish me happy birthday, thank you so much. I have a birthday sale that's going on now for the ebooks, for those who want to start a tax business and other information. It's on the website for those of you who are interested. Now, I know everybody ain't interested. You come to this video just to get the new tax refund update, and I'm finna go right in it now. But for those of you who are interested, I'm gonna take my picture off here for a minute. It's a final sale for you guys that you can take advantage of getting the free PDF downloads to help you with your tax business. Also, if you want to give, thanks is below this video as well. It's free, online shopping, and my cash app, CHR Shining Lights. Okay. All right. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you guys. And go ahead and go on the update real quick, because I know you're busy. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I update and give live videos weekly, or upload videos weekly, streaming live regarding taxes, business, finance, and building wealth. During tax season, which this year just flying by, is going out, you guys. You definitely want to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, because tax season, everything go fast, and I'll be able to help you guys. And also join memberships for those of you who haven't, because I'll be giving other people that's in my memberships more information that you who get the free information on the live. Now, I'm going to stop talking, okay? I'm going to go directly into the August the 4th. That was my birthday. The IRS updated the site on August the 4th. And you guys, when I went there, I was like, what? You are kidding me. So a lot of you have been waiting. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the file, and I'm going to go down to amended, because I'm going to save the other ones for last. For the amended individual tax return, for those of you who have been waiting, as of July 29th, 2023, they had 1.2 million unprocessed Form 1040X. If you watched the last video, you can compare the numbers from my last live video when I gave you an update until now. 1.2 million unprocessed Form 1040X or amended returns, and they are processing them in the order that they're received, and the current time frame can be more than 20 weeks. And we know a lot of you is way more than 20 weeks. I get it. Okay, please do not shoot the messenger. Please don't file the same return more than once. Okay, and a lot of people do that, and their amended returns is simple math errors, and now they're waiting so long to get the IRS to give them their money or to update their amended return. and you should continue to check on where's my amended return. Now, what is the difference? What is the update? Y'all, 1.2 million unprocessed. Okay, it went last week from 1.27 million unprocessed Form 1040X to now 1.2, meaning the IRS only did 0.07 million unprocessed Form 1040X. So it wasn't that much movement. It wasn't that much movement in the amended individual tax returns. Okay, you guys. So my advice to you is to be patient and continue to contact the IRS if you need to. If it's been so long and they keep giving you letters and letters and letters, you guys, if they're sending you information to mail in, make sure you mail it in and make sure you do it before the deadline of your letter. Everybody is different. I don't know if you had a deadline. Some of you might not even have a deadline. But if you do, make sure you fax it in or certified letter. Keep your copies of all that information, okay, that you send to the IRS. Keep it on hand, because if they send you something saying we didn't get it, you got proof of tracking numbers of letters that, hey, I sent mine in. Where is my refund? Okay, keep all that information on hand. Always keep copies when you mail something, even if it's not the IRS. Anything you do, keep copies, guys. It helps. And the mailing information, the tracking, all that, make copies up and keep up with it. Okay. Before I move on to the other ones, I'm just gonna mention memberships again before I scroll up. Why memberships is joining my membership is so important, you guys, is for those who join the memberships during tax season. Again, you will get way more information and more videos, private videos to you, that I'll share more information to help you. Also, for those wanting to start a virtual tax prep business, that'll benefit you as well. And you'll get perks. You will get perks. You will get the emojis. You will get other things as well. And also, for those of you who shop my YouTube store, you can look down in the description of this video. You should see the items that I have tagged for live shopping. And if you need any information or any help with live coaching as well, you can go to the links down in the description of this video, which schedule appointments with me, with information, all of that in the description of this video. And I also put information in the comments. The download again is also in it. Now, let me move back to what I was saying. I'm going to move back to the main reason why you showed up. The main reason why you showed up is for this. And y'all, I got a big disappointment. It was very disappointing. And I know for you guys it is, but we know during tax season, things have slowed down. It says we process all paper and electronic individual returns received prior to June 2023, and we are opening mail with normal time frames. This means we have processed all returns we received for tax year 2021 or earlier if those returns had no errors or did not require further review. So if you didn't have no errors and you don't require further review, if you filed early before the tax season was over with, you should have got your refund. If you did not get it, either you need to verify identity because of all the fraud, or you have errors and it requires further review by the IRS. Just to clear that up. As of July 22nd, 2023, they say they had 2.15 million unprocessed individual returns. These include tax year 2022 returns, 2021 returns that need review or correction, and late filed prior year returns. Of these, 1.6 million returns require error correction or other special handling, and 548,000 are paper returns waiting to be reviewed and processed. This work does not typically require us to correspond with taxpayers, but it does require special handling by an IRS employee. So in these instances, it is taking the IRS more than 21 days to issue any related refund. You guys, from last video to this video, according to when I checked back at the last video, this video, I've seen no movement of the IRS processing any tax return. It seems like I don't know if they just put the same amount they had on August the 4th, but they did the other week. But it seems like it has no movement. Y'all can check back and watch the last video. But a lot of you waiting a whole week and you didn't see anything is the reason why it's still the same. I didn't see no update from the IRS site unless they just post the same information they had and they didn't update it. Okay. Make sure that you continue to check back and check the WMR on Saturdays. Big updates usually be on Saturdays for the where is my refund. If you have one bar, if you see no bars, don't get discouraged. Sometimes that happens when the IRS is updating the site, and sometimes money be in your account before the WMR even updates. So don't get discouraged. If you're new to my channel and you've been waiting, and if you're one of those that I'm talking about has one bar or no bars, sometimes the IRS site is just updated. You could get your money right in your account. However, if you put in the wrong account and routing number, make sure that you contact the IRS, you guys. Sometimes it does happen. Sometimes it does happen. People put in the wrong account and routing number, and when you do so, they got to mail out a check to you. So I'm going to put the number below, okay, for you to contact somebody, okay? And also, if your refund is smaller than expected, if you have any problems, contact that number to IRS. And also, if you have a tax offset or think you do, you want to contact the IRS as well with this number, 1-800-304-3107, okay? Amended returns, call toll free, 1-866. I'm putting the information, 464-2050. If you can't get anybody online, don't get discouraged. Just keep checking back, okay, you guys, until eventually you do get someone, okay? Don't give up on your tax refund. Taxpayer Advocate is www.taxpayeradvocate.rs.gov. If they took your whole refund, and you didn't get even that much back, you want to contact them if you have a hardship because of inflation and everything going on. You need money, you need help. It doesn't hurt to reach out to somebody for help, okay? So make sure that you're reaching out. Also, 1-877-777-4778. Okay, you guys, as well. For those of you who may need somebody say that they couldn't contact nobody with this number, but I have had a lot of people did contact somebody with this 1-800-829-0582 extension 652 to get an IRS representative. That doesn't guarantee if I share these numbers, you guys, that you will get someone, but hopefully it will help you, okay, in contacting people about your tax return. If any information you want to know about me or to schedule an appointment with me, you got to click the link in the description of this video. I have a scheduling site, live.basita.com/by Grace Type, by Grace Text, excuse me, and also Dr. Nina Likely website as well. So you should see a list of the website. You should see how to follow me on the different social media sites as well below this video. This is the schedule appointment. I'm putting back up here. If you need to schedule an appointment with me, during tax season, you have to schedule an appointment. I'm gonna make this clear before I go off, you guys. You have to schedule an appointment with me, book appointment. So many people try to send me messages. You have to schedule an appointment with me. Okay, you guys, especially when tax season is very busy, and now we're coming close to preparing and getting everything straight for 2024. So definitely, if you need to schedule an appointment with me. Also, my email address is listed on the scheduled appointment website, as well as the number as well to contact me. Make sure you share this video out to help somebody else that may be needing help with this. If you have any questions, concern, make sure you comment below this video, okay? I'm streaming live on LinkedIn, YouTube, and on Facebook. So if you have any questions, concern, make sure you drop a comment below this video, and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. Stay positive, you guys. Hopefully we will get an update. I hope a new update comes this Friday, okay? Maybe the changes this Friday. Okay, we just have to wait and see.